Manifold assembly. Be sure to grease all O-rings. Step 1. Insert the MAV 3C valve into the front opening and slide to the rear of the assembly. Step 2. Install the brass valve retaining spacer behind the valve and push to the rear. Step 3. Use two 632 3/16 set screws to lock down the brass spacer. The first set screw should lock into the retaining groove in the spacer, while the second screw is used as a jam nut to prevent loosening so that no Loctite will be required. Step 4. Install the dual position safety, including the ball bearing, retention spring, and locking screw. Step 5. Insert the trigger into the manifold center channel slot. Step 6. Insert the trigger pin through the front of the manifold into the center channel and push through the trigger. Lock into place via the previously installed dual safety. Step 7. Lock the trigger down firmly, pushing forward, making sure the trigger goes all the way forward on the trigger shoulder pin. Then lock down with two 632 3/16 set screws, again using the first of the set screws to lock in place, followed by the second screw used as a jam nut so that no Loctite will be required. Note: the AA return spring, trigger pin, and trigger guard will be attached in a follow-up assembly. Step 8. Install the 16th inch NPT to the 1/4 inch hose adapter into the manifold. Step 9. Insert the 5/32 by 1/2 slotted pin to add to the stability of the handle and prevent twisting. Note, the slotted pin should be tapped into place with a hammer. Step 10. Attach the frame to the manifold via the 1/4 20 1 3/8 screw. Be sure to use blue Loctite. Step 11. Insert the 105 50 durometer O-rings into the pockets on the upper side of the manifold. You now have a completed manifold assembly.